Welcome back to my channel. I'm Carissa with Berean Academy, Homeschooling Gracefully. Today I want to talk to you all about organization and record keeping and our schoolroom. So I'm going to show you how I organize my children's weekly packets. If you've watched my previous videos, you know that we use master books and that I rip out a week's worth at a time and staple them into packets. We used to use a folder system and work boxes, but this year we're using binders and it's working really great for us. Here we have one of my daughter's binders. They each have their own color. I filled them with these binder divider tabs that have pockets, so each weekly packet for each subject slips into one of the pockets. We have our math manipulatives, the little dry erase worksheets that they use. And then at the back we just have some supplemental. My kids like to do little notebooking pages, so we've put that in as often as possible. And then I also have our Place Value Village mat inside a manila folder. I just taped it in. I've also started using Masterbook's new resource, the cumulative record. I think that's what they call it. And I bought the digital version and I am printing out pages as we need them. I didn't want a hard copy where I'd have to keep track of 12 years worth of paperwork since it follows them all the way through their high school transcript. But this is a really great resource and it's helping keep our entire homeschool record all in one place and really easy for me to use. Again, I have ours in a binder. This is the curriculum planner, so I've planned out the next couple years. I have pocket tabs that hold their progress reports. Each child is behind one of these dividers with their student page, which I'm not going to show all their personal information. And then this is the basically year at a glance. And then my other daughter's progress report, her student page, and then the end of year review. So it makes it really easy to keep track. I'm going to show you guys our schoolroom. We are in the middle of little updates throughout our house, but we'll be painting this room, so ignore the dark paneling that I don't like, but you guys probably don't even care. I like to keep our space fairly simple. We work at our dining table. We have a small whiteboard. I wanted a chalkboard, but too messy for me. A letterboard that has our sight words of the week, and a basket with our library books. And then this is our kind of command center, our Homeschool Cart, and the top is my stuff, sight word cards, flashcards, and then this rack holds their binders and the bottom holds my teacher manuals. Over here we have our printer station, and I also keep their little journal sketchbooks here. And below we have a little tote for each of our children that holds all of their crafting and art supplies. And then finally in our kitchen, which this room is right off of, I have all of my other teaching manuals. For us, really our whole house is our schoolroom. So in this room, we usually end up for reading. And then also this is our media room / library. Well, thanks so much for joining me today. I hope that all or any of that was helpful to you. And I hope that you guys have a great day. Happy schooling.